Hey all, I've got a Union rim cylinder today. 5 pin out, I've got a blue gem, 15 thousandths. This is a challenge lock. There's a slight creak when I put my pick in now, I don't know which one I touched. So I'm just going to, as this challenge lock, I'm going to just follow the feedback bit by bit. It's a little bit there on 3. A little bit there on 3 again actually, a little bit on 2. A little bit on 1 with a tiny creak on the core. Okay, 5. It's a bit of an ambitious click, that was. Okay, 1 is ready to go, that's 3. Feel 4, there we are, a little click on 4. 1. Nice click on 5. Nice turn on 5. Okay. Bit on 3. A little bit on 2. Let's get back to the feedback. 3 again. A little bit on 2. It's easy to get distracted. A little bit on 1. Distracted with things that you think there's a bit more, but it's so easy to cock it all up. Especially something as temperamental as this thing I've put together. Okay, a bit on 1, a little bit more on 2. Slight creak on 3. Little turn on 1. Two. One. Okay, I got feedback. Okay, hopefully that was 5. I think it was feedback on 5, but I wasn't 100% sure because I think the pick was touching some of the others on the way through. Okay, it's a little bit there on 2. Bit on 1. Follow the feedback. Okay, a little bit on 2. Okay. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera, but you got the gales blowing here. Hurricane Desmond. Better click on there on 3. It's not a tropical storm, Desmond, anyway. A little bit there on 1. 4. Okay, so I'm just going to toughen the tension a minute. Ah, there it is. Number bloody 2. You're hiding up there, were you? I knew there was something in my little click somewhere. So I loosened back down on the tension. Just didn't want everything to drop while I was horsing around. Little click there on 1. 5. 4. 3. 4. Okay, same thing again. I know he's close. Yeah, a little click on 1, I think that was, or 2. I've got a serious fault set here. Eight minutes. Ah, you bugger. Thank God for that. Oh. Right, let's get this thing apart. It isn't going to clip on, so I'm going to be a bit careful. Let's get that over there. There's a bit of room in it. Okay. So let's go back to Frontier. So number 5. 4. 3. I'll show you the music roll now in a second. 2 and 1. Just a little bit conscious that I've hit 10 minutes just about now. It's the first time I've picked it on camera. I've picked it once off camera. It's a nightmare thing. Right. So up top you have got excuse me, sorry. serrated. I've just been getting over the I've got a drunken spool T-pin type thing over the flu and lost my voice, so I'm a bit croaky and quiet if you're wondering why I'm making less noise than I usually do. So there we go, a spool, a serrated spool actually. Okay, yeah, so these are, like I said, these are great sort of challenge locks, just purely for the what you can do with them, how you can customize them up a little bit. It was something like that, I think. In my mind, that is how I would have put it. Get over there, you bugger. Okay, so we've got 2 or 3 different size springs. And so there we've got like a heavy serrated, and we've got a drunken T-pin type affair with some good serrations on it. So we can get a better picture. There we are. And the wafer. And we have another heavily serrated pin. And we have a serrated spool. So it's a commercial spool that I put a couple of heavy serrations on, and again there, another one at the end with a slightly smaller tip, so it gets hung up in the shear line. I think that's what was going on in part of it there. And then down the bottom, so the key pins were all heavily serrated, and different size tops as well, just to get hung up in the shear line again, like an ASA pin would be. And I've hidden sort of high cuts behind low cuts, so again that was part of the problem there. I'll pick that up now. So there's another one of them. This one's got a bit of a spool on it, but it's mainly serrated. And a little one at the back end, and I will just show you the plug. So yeah, if you see the sort of rim around the top is the rim around the top, the bigger rim is where the counter milling is to start off with, and then I've just threaded down through, look, on each one there. And I did the same with the upper body. So all 5 of those are threaded all the way through. You can open these up from the back, you take this back plate off and the whole thing pops out. So they're nice and easy to thread. So that is it, the Union rim cylinder challenge lock that I'm gonna get out to somebody in the post, and they can have a go with it. Thank you very much for watching. My voice is starting to go. I've been talking too long. Take it easy. Catch you all very soon. Nice one. Be good.